Welcome to Best Sellers Market, where we bring you the finest products making waves in the market today. I'm delighted you've joined us. In today's exciting episode, we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling ball winders on Amazon. These indispensable tools are a game changer for knitters and crocheters alike, streamlining your crafting experience and ensuring your yarn is always in top condition. We've sifted through the reviews, analyzed the ratings, and compiled a list of the top contenders that are taking the crafting world by storm. Each product on our list stands out for its quality, efficiency, and user satisfaction. So, without further ado, let's unravel the details and discover which ball winders have earned their spot at the top. Stay tuned as we count down the best of the best. Number 5 on our list of top-selling ball winders is the Jiao Pompom Maker Set. Dive into the world of creativity with this versatile and vibrant toolkit. Imagine having 4 different sizes of pom-pom makers at your fingertips: 38mm, 48mm, 68mm, and 88mm. That's right, from tiny 1.49-inch fluff balls to impressive 3.46-inch creations, you can craft a variety of sizes to suit any project. Whether you're decorating a bag, jazzing up your phone, or enhancing your handcrafts, the possibilities are endless. Crafted from durable, lightweight plastic and adorned in a spectrum of colors, these tools are as stylish as they are practical. The included U-shaped scissors, featuring a stainless steel blade and a sturdy plastic handle, ensure precise cutting with ease. But it's not just about the tools, it's about the joy of crafting. The simple, intuitive design allows you to wind yarn, snip, and tie with ease. Perfect for both kids and adults, this set transforms ordinary yarn into extraordinary pom-poms. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the Jiao Pom-Pom Maker Set is your gateway to endless DIY fun and creativity. Number 4 in our countdown is the Etcokei Yarn Winder, a game changer for any knitting enthusiast. Picture this. In just 4 easy steps, you can transform your yarn into a perfectly organized ball, flat on both top and bottom, with a smooth center pull. Imagine the time you'll save as you watch tangled skeins turn into tidy, ready-to-use yarn balls, freeing up your hands and maximizing your crafting joy. The Etcokei Yarn Winder isn't just about efficiency. Designed for desks up to 2 inches thick and able to handle yarn weights of up to 4 ounces, this tool fits seamlessly into your crafting setup. Crafted from robust ABS plastic, it promises durability and quieter operation compared to other materials. Its chic pink finish and elegant packaging make it not just functional, but a delightful addition to any crafting space. And if you have any questions or need support, the Etcokei customer service team is just an email away, with a promise to respond within 24 hours. With the Etcokei Yarn Winder, you're not just organizing yarn, you're enhancing your entire crafting experience. At number 3 in our countdown is the LAMXD Needlecraft Yarn Ball Winder, a compact yet mighty tool for every knitting enthusiast. This winder is more than just a gadget, it's a complete toolkit in one. Lightweight and portable, its detachable winding head ensures you can carry it with ease, while the sturdy metal handle and tabletop clamp provide unmatched stability during use. Measuring 4.72 inches wide and 4.13 inches high, it's the perfect size for any workspace. Transforming loose yarn into perfectly organized balls has never been simpler. The LAMXD Winder efficiently handles up to 100 grams, or 3.5 ounces of yarn, whether you're working with delicate lace or bulky weights. Its quiet operation means you can craft without disturbing the peace of your home or neighborhood. Installation is a breeze. Just secure it to your desk, tighten the clamp, and let the rotary wheel work its magic. The result? Immaculate yarn balls ready for your next project. Looking for a thoughtful gift? The LAMXD Yarn Ball Winder makes an excellent choice for anyone who loves DIY projects, from seasoned crafters to budding artists. With minimal noise and maximum functionality, it's a gift that keeps on giving. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top ball winders on Amazon? If you're winding up some excitement, give that like button a spin, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat. At number 2 in our countdown is the Adhafera Yarn Winder, a must-have tool for every yarn enthusiast. Imagine transforming tangled skeins into perfectly neat yarn cakes with just a simple crank. The Adhafera Yarn Winder makes it possible, effortlessly. Designed to attach to any table up to 2 inches thick, this device is as straightforward as it is effective. Secure it with the sturdy clips, turn the metal handle, and watch as your yarn morphs into a flawless center pull ball. Why struggle with messy yarn when you can free up your hands and enjoy a more organized crafting experience? The Adhafera Winder not only saves space, but also ensures that your yarn is collected neatly and efficiently. For even greater precision, it can be paired with a yarn guide to keep everything in line. Versatile and adaptable, this winder handles most yarns and quickly creates center pull balls without causing much noise, making your knitting session smoother and more enjoyable. It's perfect for any yarn under 4 ounces and makes an exceptional gift for anyone who loves to knit. Got questions or need support? The Adhafera customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours via email. The Adhafera Yarn Winder isn't just a tool, it's an upgrade to your knitting routine. At number 1 on our countdown is the Etcokei Yarn Winder, a revolution in yarn management and the ultimate tool for every knitting and crocheting enthusiast. Imagine a world where your yarn winding is not just easier, but completely automated. The Etcokei Yarn Winder turns loose skeins into perfectly compact yarn balls with the touch of a button. No more manual cranking. This innovative device handles it all, saving you time and effort. Efficiency takes on a new meaning with the stepless speed control. Adjust the winding speed to suit your needs, reaching up to 6 rotations per second. In just 2 minutes, you'll have a flawless yarn cake, ready for your next project. Whether you're working with lace, fingering, worsted, or bulky yarn, this winder handles up to 10 ounces with ease. Installation is straightforward. Mount it on any tabletop, secure it with the knob, and let the rotating wheel do the work. For added convenience, the rotating shaft includes a non-slip silicone ring that can be removed for easier yarn cake removal, especially with thinner yarns. Quiet, efficient, and user-friendly, the Etcokei Yarn Winder is not just a tool, but a game-changer. It's the perfect gift for anyone passionate about yarn crafting, making their creative process smoother and more enjoyable. Elevate your crafting experience with the Etcokei Yarn Winder, the pinnacle of yarn management. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling ball winders on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.